Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter Seeds and Seeds. I am going to cover the topic seeds in this video. We all know that plants cannot move like we can. Once they start growing, they remain fixed in one place only. But the seeds on the other hand are amazing travelers. You might have seen seeds of different plants and trees. Some of the edible seeds are grains, pulses, beans, chickpeas, etc. Seeds are of different shapes, sizes, colors, and textures. A seed can grow into a big tree. A seed is the part of the plant which grows into a new plant. It is a reproductive structure which disperses and can survive for some time to grow on suitable substratum. A typical seed includes three basic parts: an embryo, a supply of nutrients for the embryo, that is food store, and a seed coat. There are many different kinds of seeds. The process of which a seed germinates or grows into a new plant by getting all the suitable conditions is called as germination. When we say suitable condition, we mean all the conditions needed by a seed to grow. All those things are water, air or oxygen, sunlight and minerals. Once the seed gets air, water and warmth of sunlight, it wakes up to grow into a baby plant. These first tiny roots are called sprouts. Do you want to see it yourself? Let us see an experiment. First, take some chickpeas and 3 bowls. Bowl number 1, 2 and 3. Put few chickpeas in the first bowl and fill it with water. Now, in the second bowl, put a wet cloth or some wet cotton wool. Put few chickpeas in this bowl also. Again, put few chickpeas in the third bowl also. But do not put any water in it. Leave it for few hours. After few hours, we will get the result that the seeds of chickpeas in the first and second bowl sprouted. But the chickpeas in the third bowl didn't sprout. Do you know why this happened? The chickpeas in the third bowl did not sprout as they did not get water. We will also observe that the chickpeas which get the proper sunlight and enough water grow faster than the chickpeas that get water but are kept in the shed. So, it shows that to grow well, the seed needs right amount of sunlight, water and air mainly. Children, try this experiment yourself. Chickpea is a seed. It is very good for health. But before you eat it, you should soak it well. It is best to have chickpeas when they are sprouted. Now, what does sprouted mean? Let's see. First, we must soak the chickpeas well in water for a long time. After it is soaked well, we must drain the water. Then, after a day, roots come out of the chickpeas. It is called sprouted chickpeas. So, children, start eating sprouted seeds to get nutrients for your health, to boost oxygen level of your body. To talk about lentils or masoor dal, when it is splitted, no sprouts come out of it. The reason is, when the lentil seed is split in the middle, the sprouting capacity of the dal is lost. So, it does not sprout. Most of the seeds are soaked in water before we eat or cook because it softens the hard food substance. It helps in sprout formation. It takes less time to cook. Now, you have to carry out an activity given in page number 44. Plant your seeds and record the observations in the observation table given in the book. So this is all about seeds, is germination, conditions for germination of seed, sprouts and its benefit. Thank you.